I literally feel like the whole world's like against me, honestly. These camera batteries are like kind of out of power due to the fact that I haven't used them in a while. But I'm not gonna try. Look, I have 3 batteries now. Come on. I'm plugging in one of my batteries to charge. Hopefully this one will stay charged. Watch it not. But I'm gonna try every way. I'll freaking record with my webcam, man. I'll record with my webcam if I have to. It's only 9 o'clock, so I'm breaking perfect time. There is actually a slight possibility I could finish this. I could probably build it completely, but then like programs and everything I'll set up tomorrow. Or, you know, some other day when I'm available. Alright, well, these screws. These screws, even though they're not the preferred ones, they will work. Where did I put that last screw? Oh, it's over here. These screws are going to work. Dude, this graphics card is amazing. Honestly, it's amazing. You need at least 550 watts of power to power this graphics card. I bought 600. There's actually a power button on the motherboard, which is kind of cool.